Dubai Tram with 11 station stops, including many landmarks. This tram offers a convenient way to get from one place to another. The Dubai Tram goes in a loop in Dubai Marina and connects it with the Dubai Metro system and the PAM monorail. Here are all of the details you'll need to know when utilizing Dubai's tram system. The Dubai Tram goes in one loop that takes approximately 40 minutes from end to end. Trams run approximately every 6 to 8 minutes, so travelers never have to wait long. The stops are 1 Jumeirah Beach Residence 1, 2 Jumeirah Beach Residence 2, 3 Jumeirah Lakes Towers, links with the Dubai Metro, 4 Dubai Marina Mall, 5 Dubai Marina, links with the Dubai Metro, 6 Marina Towers, 7 Mina Al Siahi, 8 Media City, 9 PAM Jumeirah, links with the PAM monorail, 10 Knowledge Village, 11 Al Sufouh. As you can see, 2 of the stops link with Dubai Metro and 1 links with the PAM monorail. Footbridges were constructed to connect these different modes of transport. The Dubai Metro is made up of the red and green lines, which is one of the world's largest driverless metro networks. The PAM Jumeirah monorail links the famed palm-shaped island with Dubai's mainland. Working hours. The Dubai Tram runs from 6:30 a.m. until 1 a.m. every day. The only difference is on Fridays, when the tram opens at 9 a.m., it closes at 1 a.m. as usual. Pricing. The Dubai Tram has a fixed fare of AED 3, approximate 82 cents USD, per ride, regardless of the distance traveled. Passengers must obtain a Nol Card to ride the tram. You can purchase one at any of the tram or metro stations. A Nol Card is used by passengers to check in and out of the tram by scanning the card at the platform screen doors. Typically, residents of Dubai have blue, silver, or gold Nol Cards, while travelers and visitors opt for red or silver. For passengers using a red Nol Card, the cost is a bit higher, AED 4 per ride, approximate $1.10 USD. Children under 5 travel for free, while those over 5 will need a Nol Card. Students can enjoy a 50% discount if they apply for a blue Nol Card. Each tram carries up to 400 people and includes a section exclusively for women and children. The trams also have a gold class, which costs more per one-way trip, 6 to 8 dirhams, but offers more space and added comfort for travelers. Season tickets are also available for those who plan on using the tram rather consistently. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.